Shiba Inu surprised the entire crypto space today. Around 48 billion tokens have come under heavy observation, and that's not even the craziest part. After what felt like months of silence, Satoshi Kusama has returned, and his message. A massive teaser about a new project that could shake the entire ecosystem. People are losing their minds over this. Analysts are already rolling out new predictions, and the phrase, "1 cent dream," is trending once again. Could this be the moment the community has been waiting for? Is today the day Shiba Inu begins its real climb toward that long-imagined 1 cent target? Let's break it all down because what's happening right now is far bigger than just another meme coin price swing. To start, today has been absolutely wild in terms of sentiment and energy. Sure, the price action hasn't exactly been explosive. In fact, it dipped a little earlier in the day and is still finding its footing. But that's just the surface. Underneath, the Shiba Inu community is pulsing with energy. It's like a switch got flipped and suddenly everyone is on the same page. Excited, alert, and bracing for what might come next. The buzz is electric, and it's spreading fast. And then, seemingly out of nowhere, Satoshi Kusama came back online. The usually quiet and mysterious lead developer returned with something big. Something that could change the course of Shiba Inu's journey. And he didn't come empty-handed. This wasn't just a motivational post or a vague promise. It was a real teaser, a hint at something massive on the horizon. According to Kusama, what he's working on could completely elevate Shiba Inu's place in the market. We're talking next-level utility, innovation, and something that could even tie the token into the future of artificial intelligence. On top of that, whales started making serious moves today. Large transactions involving huge amounts of SHIB were recorded. Some wallets were seen accumulating millions of dollars worth of tokens in single batches. These aren't small-time buyers looking for a quick trade. This is big money preparing for what looks like an incoming shift. And that kind of activity doesn't happen unless someone knows, or strongly suspects, that something massive is about to hit. The last time we saw this kind of accumulation, Shiba Inu went on one of its most memorable runs. But if all this is true, and the whales are moving in, why hasn't the price shot up yet? That's the question many holders are asking. According to several analysts, we're currently seeing a short-term correction. The previous support level didn't hold well due to a lack of immediate demand, which caused a bit of a pullback. One analyst pointed out that we're nearing the next major support zone and, if that holds, we could see a strong bounce from there. Think of it as taking a breath before the sprint. The dip may be temporary, but what happens after could define Shiba Inu's trajectory for the rest of the year. So what exactly is behind all this renewed excitement? It goes beyond price charts and token burns. Shiba Inu is evolving. This isn't just a meme token anymore. The developers are building. The foundation is growing stronger, and a whole new phase of development is kicking in. The most exciting part? Shibarium. Their custom Layer 2 blockchain has become a centerpiece in the ecosystem. It offers cheaper, faster transactions and opens the doors to smart contracts, apps, and scalable decentralized finance systems. Then there's the gaming division. Shiba Inu isn't just playing around with the idea of games. They're going all in on Web3 gaming experiences. Real games with real use cases for SHIB within the in-game economy. And when people play, they won't just be having fun, they'll be engaging with real financial utility. That's not just a gimmick. That's a new business model. A real-world use case being built from the ground up. And let's not forget the decentralized finance platforms that are coming together within the Shiba ecosystem. Everything from swaps and staking to lending is being carefully woven into the fabric of Shiba Inu's future. It's becoming an ecosystem, not just a token. In fact, Shiba Inu has already posted serious numbers. According to the latest data, the project reached a trading volume of nearly $48 billion over just a 10-day period earlier this month. That's not the kind of number you associate with a simple meme token. That's real volume, real liquidity, and real interest from the wider market. And those kinds of numbers are starting to catch the attention of serious investors. And just when you thought it couldn't get more intense, Kusama came back again, this time with a hint that caught everyone off guard. He updated his social media bio with what seems like a reference to a final white paper. One that doesn't just outline the future of Shiba Inu but connects it with artificial intelligence and a system referred to as Shi. That small change in his bio triggered a wave of speculation. Because if Shiba Inu is now entering the AI space, it's not just competing with meme coins anymore. It's stepping into an entirely different league. In a follow-up post, Kusama explained that he's deep into writing this white paper. It's going to include everything from research to deployment strategies and how the Shiba ecosystem will evolve in tandem with AI technology. He mentioned how surprised he was that people weren't talking more about AI and that most haven't realized what's coming. According to him, AI leaders already see the big picture. They're preparing, quietly. And now, Kusama is going back into his AI Web3 VC zone to build what could be the most important upgrade to the project yet. Interestingly, this isn't the first sign that Shiba Inu is working with AI. Earlier this year, the team announced a partnership with Astronova, a serious player in the AI development space. They've been exploring ways to embed AI into real-world decentralized solutions. This isn't a theory or a whiteboard fantasy. It's already underway, and now with this white paper in development, we might finally get the full breakdown of what that vision looks like. If Shiba Inu can successfully carve out a role in both the Web3 and AI sectors, it won't just be a token anymore, it becomes a part of the digital infrastructure of the future. That's when real, long-term value takes over. Not speculation, not hype, but foundational, utility-driven adoption. An analyst recently laid out what this could mean for Shib's price. He noted that although the token has been trending downward for the past few weeks, it's holding an important support level. If that level holds and the token can break through a long-term resistance line, it could rally hard, possibly even revisiting its 2021 all-time highs. That would be more than a 500% gain from current levels. But of course, if that support fails, there's room for more downside. That's the nature of crypto. It's volatile. It's risky. But it's also filled with potential. And historically, whenever Satoshi disappears and then returns, he tends to bring something big with him. We've seen it before. His reappearances are usually followed by announcements, partnerships, or launches that send the token moving. Now, with him teasing an AI-integrated future and a game-changing white paper, the conditions are once again starting to line up. Could this be the moment that redefines everything for Shiba Inu? If even a fraction of this vision materializes, utility across Web3, partnerships in AI, a fully functional ecosystem, it's no longer far-fetched to imagine the price inching toward that long-held 1-cent dream. It may not happen overnight. It might take time, but the pieces are clearly being set into place. The price might be down today, but behind the scenes, Shiba Inu is transforming. The dev team is locked in. The community is more united than ever. And the project is no longer riding on meme status alone. It's evolving. It's building. And it's looking to lead in a future driven by real technology, real adoption, and real impact. What's your opinion on all of this? Drop your thoughts down below. If you're curious to learn more, make sure to check out the other videos on the screen. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a Shiba Inu update. You could miss the moment it all changes. Share this with your friends. Let's keep this energy going and bring more people into the conversation.